When we don't drink enough water or intake enough fiber from vegetables or fruits, we may get constipation. Today, we're going to learn how to express I'm constipated, starting with the word constipation. 便秘. Please repeat after me. 便秘. 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 Now let's say them faster. 便秘. 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 Therefore, I'm constipated is 我便秘. 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 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review. 复习. 复习. Ouch. 哎呦. 哎呦. I have a headache. 我头疼. 我头疼. I have a bellyache. 我肚子疼. 我肚子疼. I have a stomachache. 我胃疼. 我胃疼. I have a toothache. 我牙疼. 我牙疼. Achoo! I have a cold. 我感冒了. Achoo! 我感冒了. I have a cough. 我咳嗽. 我咳嗽. I have diarrhea. 我拉肚子. 我拉肚子. I have a fever. 我发烧. 我发烧. I'm constipated. 我便秘. 我便秘. Well done, 好样的. Tomorrow, we're going to review all the fruits that we have learned so far to strengthen our foundation. By the way, don't forget to give me a thumb up or share this video. Thank you for your support.